Hi, my name is Waldo Garcia. I've been here for quite a while, about almost 20 years, and we used to spray with 2-gallon pot and 5-gallon pot. We used to have a lot of overspray, all that. With this machine, Tommy brought it over here, and as soon as you spray something, it's like you got the millage, the coat is beautiful, shine, all that. When I saw that machine, I said, wow. And the tip we use is, put out a lot of overspray on all that stuff. It's great. The machine is awesome.